Hey y'all, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. So today's video is going to be on how I do my double flat twist crown. So you're just going to start off by parting your hair like I'm doing in the video. Then you're going to take some water and spritz the front, and then you're going to take your Eco Gel and just put that on the front section. And then right here, I'm just brushing that gel into my hair just to make sure it's smooth. And here, I'm just flat twisting. Hopefully y'all can see how I'm doing it. I like to do my flat twist going forward instead of going in the opposite direction. I just find that for my hair looks better that way. Alright, so here you're going to unclip that section and then take some bobby pins and secure that flat twist. Then you're going to go ahead and part your next section for your other twist. And here I'm just repeating the same steps as last time. I sprayed it with some water, brushed the gel into my hair, and now I'm flat twisting. Sorry y'all, I did not detangle before I did this. Do not do this. Make sure you detangle your hair before you start flat twisting. Alright, so you're going to take that twist and secure it with bobby pins. Alright, so I did have some frizz in the front, so I'm just taking some water and some Eco Gel and just twirling the frizzy pieces around my finger. Alright, and I can't forget my edges. I got this edge control brush from Amazon. I'll link the brush in the description box below. Alright y'all, this is the finished result. If you like this hairstyle, comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. Bye.